Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a little get ready with me for my giveaway video, which I am going to be filming next. I did this last month because the month before so many people commented on the giveaway video asking if I could do a makeup tutorial on the look I was wearing in the giveaway video. So I just figured from now on I will do a little get ready with me makeup tutorial that I'm going to be wearing in the giveaway video so that you guys can come watch this and kind of see what went into that look. So yeah, let's just get started. I'll chat a little bit about what's been going on and about the giveaway. Let's hop right on in. So the first thing I'm going to do is prime my face. Today I want to use the Maybelline Master Prime Blur and Illuminating Primer. I used to use this stuff on the daily, but the Becca Backlight Priming Filter kind of took its place, but I kind of just want to see if I still really like this. This is a lot more moisturizer feeling than the Becca Backlight. Like, it actually feels like a lotion, which I actually like because then you don't look dry if you have dry skin like me. If I forget to mention what I'm using as I go, as I was saying, if I forget to mention what I'm using as I'm like talking through this video, everything will be linked down below per usual. I'm going to use just a little drop of Benefit Professional right in here to make sure my skin looks nice and poreless. I'm filming actually a lot of videos today because next weekend I'm not going to have as much time, so I'm kind of like pre-filming, so I just want to make sure my face makeup lasts. For foundation, I am going to be mixing two. I'm going to mix the Too Faced Born This Way with the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow. I think it's so cool that Too Faced collabed with Jackie Aina to create a ton more shades on the darker and medium end of the spectrum, because this is such a good foundation and it's just great that now more people will be able to use it. I'm using my Bdellium Golden Triangle Slanted Precision Kabuki brush. Actually, I kind of want to get a sponge it up. I'm so excited for this month's giveaway. I know if you have been entering like all year each month and haven't won yet, I know it can get discouraging, but we choose all the winners completely randomly through a random comment picker, and I just really appreciate those of you sticking around and continuing to enter and just support my channel. I really do appreciate it. So I'm going to use the Tarte Shape Tape under my eyes. How many of you guys saw my video of the Nabla close-up concealer comparison with this one? And did you like that kind of video? Do you like those kind of reviews? That was really fun for me to make because I just felt like I was like a journalist, like reporting on a scandal. I obviously already did my brows. I don't think I had mentioned that. I'm vlogging today as well, so I just threw some brows on so that I didn't look like a complete alien. And to fill them in, I just used the L'Oreal Brow Stylist in dark brunette or dark brown. I'm not sure which one it's called. I know you guys have told me you want an updated brow tutorial. That is on my list of things to do, I promise. I just have had a lot of other videos that I've needed to do first. So as soon as I have a minute, I will film that. Oh, also, what do you guys who have Instagram think of... Oh, I just got a text. What do you guys with Instagram think of IGTV? My first question is, are you going to download like the separate app for it or just watch it from within Instagram? I think it's kind of interesting that they're going to have a separate app for it, even though you could just access it from Instagram, so I'm not sure how many people will actually do that. But I'm curious to know your thoughts on it and if you think it will take the place of YouTube for you. I really hope it doesn't, because I've worked really hard the last year to put content out on YouTube, And I hope that this doesn't just take the place of it for people. Let me know. Let me know what you think. Next, I'm going to set my under eyes with the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. Also, I feel like I'm just asking you a million questions. Have any of you guys heard of like the whole Kat Von D scandal thing going on where people are literally boycotting her products because of how she's choosing to like raise her child? I don't think she's given birth yet, but she's pretty close, and she's talked about how she's gonna raise her child vegan and also not, what's it called? Vaccinate. Which, I mean, I personally don't agree with, but I just can't believe that people are like boycotting her makeup products for that. It's kind of insane. I forgot my BareMinerals powder. I knew I always forget. I always forget stuff. Hopefully that's the last time I have to get up because I'm real lazy. It's hot in this room. Okay, so I'm going to use my big fluffy e.l.f. brush and my BareMinerals powder to powder my face. Make sure that this liquid foundation stays on all day. I'm going to the mall later with my mom and sister. I'm so excited. I haven't like done a little shopping trip in a while. I'm not going to go crazy or anything, but I have a gift card to Zara, and our big mall in the area just got a Zara, so I can't wait to do a little shopping there. I've only been in the store once and gotten like one thing, so. Okay, next I'm going to do a little light contour with the Shade and Light palette again, and I'm using my favorite brush, the Bdellium Duo Fiber Face Shading Brush to do this. I think I do like little update on brushes. I do prefer these Bdellium brushes to the Iconic London brushes that I tested out. I still think the Iconic London brushes are good, but if I had to actually choose between those and the Bdellium brushes, I think I would choose the Bdellium brushes. They just are like a little bit, I don't know. I think it's not even necessarily the quality, it's just my preference. Like, for example, this brush, you probably can't tell, but it has the duo fiber ends where there's like shorter and longer bristles, which makes the application a lot more like sheer and natural, whereas the Iconic London contour brush is really nice, but it packs a lot more of a punch. And I love this brush still. This is just from Real Techniques. This is their sculpting brush. I love this for bronzing and contouring. I think I am going to do an updated video on like my favorite affordable brushes. I did do one maybe a year ago. I mean, that one's probably pretty good. I don't know if I've added any more, but maybe I'll try to find even more. Or like find a really affordable brush set to review so that those of you who need something more affordable can check that out. I'm gonna do a little bit of a nose contour. It's right here. It is so hot in this room. I think it's like super muggy outside. It's kind of like sprinkling. My hair is like sticking to me. Ugh. I'll take it though. I would much rather have this weather over winter. I'm not a fan of winter except for on Christmas. Why not? Let's clean up our little cheek here too, just a titch. Just a titch. I haven't done this in a while. I don't even know why I'm doing it right now. Guess I'm just feeling real extra. Okay, next up is blush, and I'm gonna try a new product from a new brand to me. This is from Manna Kadar, and these are her Step 3 Perfect Powder products. You can use these for your eyes, your cheeks, anything like that. So I'm going to use this shade here. It's kind of like a terracotta. I thought I had a little more pink in it. We'll see how it looks. I might top it with one of the pinkier highlights. So let's just see. Oh yeah, no, that is more pink. Oh, that's very pigmented. Holy cow. Wow, I'm super impressed. This is the shade Trifecta. I'm not sure I said that. I'll link it down below. Again, it's Manna Kadar Beauty. I really like that. I also thought it was going to be more matte, but it kind of has a light sheen to it. I didn't realize how pigmented it was going to be. So as I swipe away my contour cleanup, I'm just going to also go over the cheek Also blend out the nose contour. I'm also just gonna dust over top of that with this. This is their 3-in-1 highlighter blush shadow. So this is a highlighter blush shadow. This is a brow eye cheek. Like, it's just showing you, I guess, what you can use it for. So this is definitely more shimmery. Ooh. Do you know what that reminds me of? That totally reminds me of the Lancôme Absolute powder, just in a deeper shade. Wow, that's so pretty. Do you see the sheen? I love that. I have a ton of other shades too that I'll have to crack open and see what they're all about. She also sent me this palette. How pretty is this? The only sad thing is the mirror broke. But how pretty is this too? You get eyeshadows. I'll link this down below as well. But actually for eyeshadow today, I want to dip into this new palette from Kara Beauty. I actually got this from iKate House is the name of the online shopping site. It's kind of like Shop Miss A because it's super, super affordable makeup. Everything is not $1 like on Shop Miss A, but it's kind of like an online makeup store with a few different brands that are super affordable. So this is the palette. This is the ES15. This totally reminds me of the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. It's not exact, but it definitely has some of the same shades. So I'm just gonna see how this is here. But look at this red. Really pretty. Let's see how it swatches. Not bad. I'm pretty sure this palette's like literally $12. I'll link it down below so that you guys can check it out, but really cool. So let's just start. Ooh. I'm just gonna start with, let's see, I like this shade. This kind of orangey shade. Actually no, I'm gonna go all over the lid with this first and then the orangey shade. So what else? What is new, you guys? Ooh, wow. Pigment. Impressive. Wow, that is so pigmented. I didn't think I was going to go for like an orange look, but hey. I had seen Kara Beauty in TJ Maxx. Like, I've seen the lashes. They also sent me some lashes. I'm going to use one of these pairs. I've seen them there. I don't think they're like extra marked down because they're already so affordable. I'm pretty sure those lashes are like $1. But that's the only time I had seen Kara Beauty. And then I saw it obviously on iKate House. Yeah, that blended out so nicely. Love it. I'm going to go in with a little bit of a more precise blending brush and go into a brown shade. There's like quite a few brown shades. There is quite a bit of fallout in the pan, but for however much money this is, it's fine. And that means it's going to be more pigmented. Love that. I'm going to go back into that really light shade and just make sure this is all blended up here. Then I'm going to pick out a shimmer to use for all over the lid. I'm not sure which one yet. Let's see here. I think I'm going to just go with this one here. It's kind of like a taupey shimmer. Yeah. Ooh, that's nice. Yeah, I really like that. I think it goes well with the look. Holy cow, look at the pigment on that. I highly recommend this. I will, of course, link it down below, like I said earlier. If you want a palette with a lot of really pretty colors, this is really nice. Okay, I'm going to do a little bit of liquid liner. I have been absolutely loving this Sigma liquid pen eyeliner. I used this in at least 1 or 2 videos, and I've been loving it. It's so nice and black. It's so precise. And then I'll go over that with some black shadow. Actually, from this palette, there is a black in here, so let's see how that goes. I just love to take black shadow over my liquid liner. I feel like it just really ensures that it stays in place. It also makes it even more matte and black. That's why I do it. It also kind of makes it look a little more natural because you can kind of smoke it out right here. I'm going to do my liner on this eye and then pop on some of these lashes. I think I'm going to go with this pair. This one's more like evenly spread out, and this one kind of flares out at the end, which I like. This is the 805 lash. So I'll pop these on and be right back to finish off the look. Okay, lashes are on. I love these. Love them. They are, again, the 805 from Cara. I love that they're like thick wispy, but that they also taper out. They remind me of my old favorites from Ardell. I think they were like the 600 lash, but those again were more evenly distributed, kind of like these, which are the 702 from Cara, but these ones really like still give you a little bit of a cat eye while still going out like this. So I really like these. I did also apply some lower lash mascara. I used the Lancôme Monster Big Mascara, and now I just need to do lips and highlights. So I think first I'm going to do lips. I'm just going to use my lip liner that I've been loving to just use all over my lips, and this is the NYX Slim Lip Pencil in Natural. I seriously need to get a new one. Sorry, I have lash glue on my finger now. I need to get a new one. This is my favorite lip liner to use whenever I have someone asking me either on Instagram or on YouTube in a video what is on my lips because they're obsessed with it. It's almost always this lip pencil, and this is what, like $2-3? And so I'll show you. I line my lips and then I kind of fill them in. It's just the perfect color. Because it's a lip liner, it lasts on my lips like almost all day. And there you have it. And then I'll do my little trick. I've showed you guys this before. I use like a nude eyeliner pencil. This one's from Tarte. And I just go right around it to create that kind of white line that everyone has around their lips. Since I overdraw, I kind of take that away and then it can kind of look unnatural. It also helps you clean up if you've gone outside the line here in the corner. There you have it. Now for last steps here, I'm going to spritz my face with the MAC Fix Plus in Gold Light. I'm gonna just pat that in here. And then we'll go in with highlight. And I'm going to use my favorite highlighter. This is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's in the Sun Dipped Glow Kit. And it's this shade right here, which is Summer. I'm going to use my Sigma Spotlight Duster. It's like a tapered highlighting brush. I do have a Sigma affiliate code if you are interested in Sigma brushes and want to save money. Dang it, I got mascara down there. Ugh. That's why I normally spritz my face before I do my eyes. Dang it. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Just perfect. Hopefully that doesn't look bad. Okay guys, and this is the finished look. This is the makeup that I will be wearing in the giveaway video. I hope you enjoyed this look. If you did, make sure to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button if you haven't already. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.